In this video, we will see what an autofill function is in Excel. The autofill feature of Excel is a great time saver when you need to fill in a series of cells based on the content in other cells. This is one feature which we use in our daily practice. For example, I'm writing a number 1, 2, 3, 4, and we know it once we drag it down, it's going to give us the consecutive numbers. So basically Excel detects the pattern available and then give you the output. Let's try it with 100, 200, and then when I'm going to drag it, it gives me the answer. Now let's try it with some other example. Let's take example of a date, 01 Jan 2016. So once I drag it down, it gives me the date as 2, 3, 4, keeping the month and the year constant. Now suppose if I have a case when I'm supposed to change the month or the year, you can see there was an option down there. Once I click on it, I get various features. Say I'll click on months. So as soon as I click on months, you can see that the months have been changed by keeping the date and the year constant. Now let's try it with the year. You can see that the date and the month have been constant, but the years have been changed. This feature can also work horizontally. If I'm going to drag it in the horizontal direction, it even works in the horizontal form. Even if you want to work in a multiple columns, like in this case, it has changed all the values. And similarly, you can again click on the option down and change as per your requirement. So this is what autofill is. Now let's see what quick analysis is. I'll go on the other sheet. Quick analysis is a contextual tool that provides single click access to data analysis tools many of us are actually familiar with. So basically, when we have a data set, we have a habit of clicking on the data set and going on the insert option and clicking on the chart, pie charts, tables, and then generating it. Now suppose if I want a quick analysis of a small data, I can do with the help of quick analysis. Now let's try to create a database. Over here you can see 6 different names. Let me give course names. Course 1. I'm going to use autofill again over here in the horizontal direction, and I have selected 5 courses for these students. I'm trying to give some marks to these students on all these 5 courses by using a random command between 20 to 100. I'm going to use the autofill again and drag it in both the directions. So here we have generated the whole database. Now suppose if I want to create a quick analysis of this database, once I select the whole table, you can see a small option down there, which you can also open it with the help of a Control Q through keyboard. Once I click it, you can see there are 5 different type of things we can do it in quick analysis. One is formatting, charts, total, tables, and sparklines. In every heading there are some subheadings. For example, in formatting, if I click on data bus, you can see how the data is been changing up. Color scale gives the different colors, icon sets, greater than condition, top 10 students. Like this, if you click on charts, there are various different type of charts available. We can use clustered, stacked area, stacked column, and also the more chart options available. Once you click on total, we can generate some few answers very quickly. For example, the sum, average, count, percentage total, and all the other features. The table gives us option of creating this as a whole as a table and also creating a pivot table. This has created the table. Sparklines. If you click on columns, it will give you the small analysis on the column out there, like that.